How to silence text notifications for one person on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Messages application on a device. Now if you want to silence text notification from one particular person, you can just make a long press, and here you can see there are different options: to pin, to archive, to delete, to block, and then we have three dotted lines. So tap on three dotted lines and it shows mark as in red. So that's not helping us out. So simply we're going to tap on the profile again. You tap on the profile, or you can tap on three dotted lines, and here you can see there's no option to silence the text notification. Tap on the profile over here, and here you can see there's no option as of now as well. So what max we can do is just tap on three dotted lines and tap on archive. That's the only possible way we can hide or just silence this text notification for this one person on Android. There's no other way around. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.